Here it is, the 350Z that never made it to my channel. Making this video, that way you guys can know when to give up on your 350Z if you're having similar problems. It's the death of the vehicle. I couldn't figure it out. Hopefully I'll have another chance to own another one. I'm gonna start looking for one again once the guy picks it up. He's on his way right now. Yep, the impossible idle relearn. If your car doesn't grab it through the process that everyone posts on YouTube, chances are it needs to get the computer reflashed. And if your car has any mods, the dealer's not gonna touch it. I've been through every possible loophole on this car and I can't find no one to reflash my ECU. I even talked to a tuner and he said that that wouldn't fix it. A tune on the car, I'm just giving up. Someone's coming to pick it up. The 350Z Nismo 2007 that never made it to my channel. It's all crusty and stuff. No one else is going to tell you how to relearn your idle on your 350Z or your G35. But watch till the end of the video. I'm going to tell you guys the key, simple answer how to fix this stupid problem that a lot of people are having. And some people have sold their cars like me. The guy's already on his way to pick it up. I'm going to tell you guys what is a simple answer how to fix this. It's so simple, like no one even told me this, but I got it for you guys. Watch the whole video. That way you can make sure your car's having the same problem as mine. You'll see the answer. I got it for you. Special surprise. So let me tell you about my story and what happened with this car. I bought the car. It needed some body work here and there. Had a little bit of issues on the body. Yes, it's a salvage title car, but it drives straight. Didn't have any mechanical issues when I bought it. I did the spark plugs, and when I did the spark plugs, I seen the throttle bodies right there. So I was like, hey, you know, I'm doing my spark plugs, might as well clean my throttle bodies while I'm at it. So I did my throttle bodies, I cleaned them, but I didn't know you have to unplug the battery before you touch your throttle bodies, or else you're gonna mess up the minimum idle that's programmed on the ECU. So I messed up my minimum idle because I cleaned all the gunk that was in the throttle bodies. When the door closes back, when your butterfly door closes on your throttle body, then it closes at a different position because you cleaned all the dirt that was there. So this throws off the computer and the vehicle doesn't know where the minimum idle is. It sounds like the car has a vacuum leak, but the car doesn't have a vacuum leak. I've checked everything. So I took it to the dealership and I told him that I was having trouble completing the relearn test for the minimum idle. So he took a look at my car and he was like, no, it's your intakes. You know, you need to get tuned. You need to take your car to a tuner. If you have aftermarket intakes, that's what's throwing it off. He was just a total idiot. But they didn't want to reflash my ECU. He was like, there's a chance you could burn your ECU out or something. He told me a bunch of crap. And I was like, dude, like I just need my car reset. I need the computer reset so my car can complete the minimum idle process and it can go back to its factory settings like when the car was brand new. So I went through about like 3 mechanics and they couldn't figure it out. I went to the dealership. They wouldn't reflash it for me. So I put the car up for sale, and within 2 days, the car is going to get picked up. I have someone on the way to pick it up. So if you're having this problem with your 350Z or your G35 and you can't get your relearn, the idle relearn on your ECU because you're having problems with your throttle bodies, I heard you can replace your throttle bodies. I didn't want to go that far. I barely touched my throttle bodies when I cleaned them, so it's just a stupid like tune issue. Like I can't believe no one has like the tool to fix this. I went to a lot of automotive shops and stuff like that and people didn't have the tool. I guess you have to go straight to the dealer. I went to the dealer and they didn't even help me. So the car goes up for sale. Someone's coming to pick it up, and then I'll have to search for another Nismo, which is gonna be freaking a nightmare because there's not many of them and people want like over 20K for one. So we'll see when I get another 350Z Nismo on my channel. If you have this problem, I feel your pain. Drop a comment down below. Let me know how sad you are that you can't figure this problem out. I've tried all the relearn process. Like I've tried every procedure, everything that you can do to relearn the idle, and it won't complete the test. Sell your car, set it on fire, burn it. It's not possible. Nissan wouldn't even help me. It's a sad story. I just wanted to document this video so I could look back later and see that I had a Nissan 350Z Nismo and I almost had a chance to build it. I already bought parts for it too. It's a sad story. This was supposed to be my summer car. Now I'm gonna have to look for another Nismo 350Z or a Nissan Skyline to replace it. We'll see what I find next, guys, but hey, chances are if you're watching this video, chances are if you're watching this video, you've had this problem or you have this problem right now. It's the worst problem ever that I've ever had with a VQ motor. Didn't even know this existed, so I got myself in this mess. This is one of like my favorite Z's that I've ever owned. I've had a few Z's, and man, I really love the Nismo tune that this car comes with stock. This car is very different to me than your regular HR or DE car. It's just feels way different. Suspension, everything, it just got such a more like drastically different look with the bumpers, wheels, and everything that the Nismo has. So even with this problem, it doesn't even throw no check engine light at all. I don't get no check engine light, nothing. Like I said, I had mechanics check it out and they couldn't figure it out. The car will idle really high when you start it, and then, I mean, I guess you guys could reference this video if you're having the problem too, so you could diagnose what's going on with your car. I guess this is the worst year for this to happen on because it's super hard to get the throttle bodies to relearn their position. It's like impossible. I've read all the forums. I'll move it, and then it should start idling up and down. You guys will hear it. There it goes. That's all it does. And you could drive it normally too, you know, it doesn't cut out. It's not in limp mode or anything. It just doesn't know where the minimum idle is, and it just bounces up and down. This is the story of my life right here, this idle. This is why the 350Z is leaving. I can't figure it out. Hopefully this guy that's taking it, bless him, hopefully he figures it out, because I couldn't. Well, there you guys have it. Simple answer: sell your car or part it out. That's it. It's a very easy fix. Put your car on OfferUp or Facebook or Craigslist. All your problems will go away. Someone else's problems. That's it. Simple, easy fix, guys. Just sell your car. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Now you know how to fix your minimum idle issue and how to relearn your throttle body on your car. It's a very simple fix. Catch you guys on the next video, alright?